Hey everyone, my name is Aman, this is SMC Wolf FX, and welcome to another day of a pre-market analysis. So I'm looking at four current pairs at the moment here on my watch list, and we've got a few hours until we get into the New York trading session. It's currently 11 a.m. for me here in the UK, and my New York trading session starts from say around 1 p.m.-ish is when I like to be behind the charts again. So to be fair, after yesterday's CPI and just letting that price action play out throughout the day, I am liking the look of where price is at the moment on multiple pairs for today. So feeling hopeful in terms of trading probabilities or opportunities. If we look at GBP USD first, and if I zoom out to a higher time frame chart, in terms of higher time frame targets, price is pretty close to the previous monthly high. So I do feel like we could see price still trade bullish, trading towards the monthly highs. And in terms of a retracement, we have retraced bearish into this imbalance area and a previous phase of accumulation on GBP USD. So this area could potentially be quite interesting in New York trading session for any longs. In terms of if I zoom into the lower time frames, if I just stick onto the 15-minute, so if we focus on quarter levels, price this morning has been bouncing off at quarter price level 1.3475, and at whole price level above at 1.35, we've got the Asian range highs just sitting here. So I do see price trading bullish at least towards 1.35. So if something like this was to happen, if it does sweep these lows, so the London lows, and then gives a nice push up back above this price level, I could potentially be looking for potential entries to take price towards 1.35. So that's the current forecast I've got on an intraday basis for GBP USD, just this 25 pip range. So it'll be interesting to see how this plays out, how price unfolds as we get into the New York trading session. It could be the other way, it could be trading up into 1.35 as we get into New York and then continue bearish off the back of yesterday's price action. Let's move on to German 40. This looks really good, to be fair. We're at all-time highs. Yesterday's daily candle left a very large top wick, and I see large wicks as liquidity sweeps. Jumping into the hourly this morning, well, actually from yesterday evening throughout the entire night, price has been in a slow staircase bullish, going back up to this 26,500 price point. So it will definitely be a area of interest that I'll be monitoring on the lower time frames, such as the 5-minute time frame. So my bias at the moment on this is bearish towards Asian lows and then potentially the previous daily lows, but only if we get such price action. So if price does come revisit into 26,500, which I believe it will, and it starts showing bearish volume towards the downside, I'd be looking for short entries to then hopefully be able to ride another bearish leg on a continuation from the previous day. So that's another one I've got on my list as well. So it'll be interesting to see what price does there. Now let's move on to the juicy ones, the US indices. I've got NQ and US 30 on my chart. So let's start with NQ US 100. I've got two zones marked out on here at the moment. The first one being the lows. So we got Asian lows at around previous day lows as well, and then up above we got equal highs, also being the previous 4 hourly highs as well. So the game plan on this at this moment in time is just sitting on my hands, and I'm hoping if one side breaks, we could potentially be trading towards the other direction. But this will be mostly during the New York opening bell volume, so 9:30 a.m. New York time or 2:30 p.m. UK time. So yeah, we'll see how it goes on this one. But yeah, I've got these areas marked here. Also, if we zoom out a little bit, previous day lows are all the way here at the bottom, but at the moment we are bullish on US indices, so this could very much easily continue trading up towards even $30,000 here in price. Now on US 30, starting on the daily time frame, we look bearish. The Tuesday candle gave a really nice wick into this daily fair value gap, closing bearish. Yesterday's candle again, another nice top wick, rejecting off key level 54,000. For today, I'm honestly not too sure of a good quality pivot point from a bearish scenario, as there's not really a area of imbalance towards the left, so it will just be working with price action as we get into the New York trading session. But in terms of target, all I can do here is continue on with the bearish bias that we're in currently on the Dow Jones. I've currently got the Asian lows marked out over here, so that being a bearish target, so we could easily see price come back towards the downside. But like with anything else, I'll be waiting on the 5-minute and the 15-minute to actually provide that bearish confirmation to jump onto any potential trading opportunities here. And that's all I've got for pre-New York market analysis. Oh, cool. Got a comment from Akib. Hi, can you upload more knowledgeable content? I've got a long list. I just need to find time to go ahead and try to record more education content. So hopefully I can do that this weekend. Try and get a good video recorded. I do have some good ideas. I want to record more videos on more trading strategies, entry models, just more videos that will be useful to hopefully just the viewers watching my videos and whatnot. But yeah, look guys, if you click the link below, you'll find a link if you go to my website for my free Discord. If you join, pretty much I am active in there throughout the entire day, so if you've got any more questions or you want to share your trading ideas and your trading forecast or whatnot, it's a free public Discord. Come join and we can talk more there. Other than that, I'm going to stop the video there, take a little break for a few hours, have my lunch, and then I'll be back here on the charts, and hopefully we can find a good trading opportunity for the day. Hope you guys find these live videos useful. Do let me know, so I do even know that you guys find this useful, and it is even me worth taking time out to record these videos for you guys. But yeah, hope everyone has a good day and a good trading session, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.